Today, I'm gonna guide you through the pre-order process for the Apple Vision Pro. So let's go back, let's pretend it's Friday, January 19th at 8 o'clock Eastern, 5 o'clock Pacific. I wake up, I open the Apple Store app, and I go to the home page, and we tap pre-order again. Here's the Vision Pro, starting at $3,500. Now, it wants to get us measured for a light seal, so let's get started. You will need to do 2 scans of your face, turning your head in all 4 directions, as shown here. First one, done. Scan complete. Now here's where you select either your reader lenses or your prescription lenses. I don't wear glasses. I don't wear contacts. I don't have had a surgery resulted in monovision. Done. Now here is your storage configurations. 256 for $34.99, 512 for $36.99, and 1 terabyte for $38.99. In my case, when I pre-ordered, I went with 256, and I bought it outright, but you can also do Apple Card financing if you have an Apple Card. Now here's the other interesting tidbit about the Vision Pro pre-order. AppleCare Plus is $500. But anyway, the delivery dates have slipped from February 2nd to March 5th to March 12th. But let's get no AppleCare. Let's add it to the bag. Now let's say you need a travel case for your Vision Pro. Oh, look at that. This one's $200. Let's say you want an extra battery for your Vision Pro. Oh, look at that. That's $200. Let's say you want a battery holder for your Vision Pro. Oh, look at that. That's $50. Let's say you need another light seal for your Vision Pro. Oh, look at that. That's $200. Let's say you need a replacement light seal cushion. That's $29. The prices on this stuff is insane. But, as you can see, if we go into my orders, I have a Vision Pro coming to me on release day, February 2nd. 256 gig, medium solo knit band, medium dual loop band, and the light seal is 21W. But yeah, so I'll have a Vision Pro on hand on release day and be ready for the content coming, guys. It's gonna be awesome. It's a lot of money, but gotta do what you gotta do. I'm excited to see how this headset functions and works, and I'm hoping that it'll become almost like my new main computer. So yeah, that was my experience pre-ordering Vision Pro. As you can see, it went well because I will have one on launch day. See you guys on February 2nd for the launch of Vision Pro.